Hey everybody, this is Dale. Hey, and I'm doing a little short video on rigging. Hey, this is a rig I've done for a character, uh, Kim Michelle. Hey, the artwork's not mine. Zoom in a little bit on her. Hey, this is of course Moho, and got a bunch of stuff going on here. I've got, let's see. Hey, first of all, I got a second monitor. I'm gonna go off. I'm on frame one now, and I got the pupils tied together with a um, target bone. This, and I've got her mouth working. I got her eyes closed. Okay. Now, of course, this is uh, PNG files. Okay, this is actually a Photoshop. Um, I brought it in as, let's see, as a image file. Okay, and I got her hair moving, the tip of the hair, and I've got her hair swinging. Okay, and this is done by the what do we call it? The triangle, the mesh. So this is redone as a mesh, and I got her head turning. Okay, and the head turn here is just the warping of um, using the shear layer. Okay, I'm shearing her layer, her head. Okay, and I'm shearing it the other way, and I got her head to pop, which means it comes forward. And when you're animating, you want the head to pop forward. Like if you're doing, uh, saying something like you're angry or you just want to get somebody's attention, you'll pull the head forward and the mouth will go open like, I want you. So you bring the head forward on I, then want you, and then bring it right back to normal. Okay, and of course you're going to have the mouth opening I, and want, and you, and then close it. Okay. And of course, we've got the hands down here, and the hand in front. Okay, I'm going to be switching them to the three different positions the guy gave me. And of course you have the hand in back, switching. And I have another one, call it back arm in front. And what that is doing is like this hand's behind everything, but if I go to the back hand in front, what I've done is just switch this on the layer system over here, okay, to in front of the body. So I've turned the layers behind it off and turned the layers on, and so it goes in front of the body. And of course, it still has the hand in back positioning. Um, let's see what else we got going on here. Okay, uh, I'm using a mesh, and I have the shirt flip down. Okay. This is actually the chest and the shirt is actually one image, but I'm taking advantage of um, mesh to do that. And I got the chest to move up the same way, so she's walking. You're gonna have the bouncy bouncy. The last two controls I have are called flip and turn. Okay, the turn is another uh, shear of the entire image. And of course, you can shear it quite a bit. As the animator, you might just want to do it just a little bit. Once the shear starts moving, it's hard to control it. So you might want to turn around and change shear constraints instead of 90-90, bring it into like 60-60 or something like that. Let's close this. Okay. And the last but not least on this, okay, now of course all this stuff, okay, I'm still on frame one, you can turn the head. And as the head turns, you can see the neck stretch to a point, and then it comes apart, of course, but you know, you're not moving it that far, the pupils are moving with it. You got your body's movements, you got your arms moving, you got your hands to move, and of course you can change the hands as they're moving. And last but not least, okay, you got the main bone here, okay, and if you move that down, you've got targets for the legs to move them around, and of course you got bones for the feet for them. So that's just a basic rig, okay, with some features. Now let's go to the Ninja. Okay, the difference between Ninja and Kim here is that I have offsets, and that's what this tool is for. The reason why I have offsets is because the bone, okay, is controlling the bone strength, is controlling. Okay, let's zoom in because you're not going to see this big. Okay, don't play with it. You have bone strength, this bone's on, this bone, and even this bone. You see I have bone strength on these? Okay, normally, okay, when I attach them to layers, I don't use any bone strength because it fights with each other. But here I've used bone strength, and the deal with this bone strength is that it allows me to control the actual image. And of course, you can see some of the effects of having bone strength. And I'm still on layer 0. So let's go off layer 0 and actually see what this rig's doing. So now I'm on frame 1, okay, and I can control the eyebrows, you know, deforming them with bones. Okay. I can control the hair because I got bones up here to deform the hair. I got quite a few bones because I want to. The animator can now do little sections of the hair instead of everything. And of course, it's the screen recorder is slowing everything down. Let me pull out, okay. And here I don't have the shearing, but I have the mouth, okay. And I have another one that says change mouth. And what's going on here is that there's this called mouth control, and you can see how it's all of a sudden changed kind of funky. And this control is right on this, okay. It is. So if I turn this down, maybe I lost some functioning here. Let's see what the other one does. Okay, something got broke. And that's working. But the morphing's not working. I gotta figure out why that is not working right. Okay, so let's go in and see that. Okay. Let me quickly go through the rest of this stuff so you can see what else I added to it. Of course, I've got the arms controlling going back. And the hands got controls, and I got a pull it away for a second. And I got the head in front now, so when you turn them, he's in front instead of sliding in the back. And I got the body. Come on. With smart bones, target bones on the legs. Okay, you don't see the bones for the legs because I got rid of them through the shy bones. And so let's go back and find out what's going on with my morphing mount. And of course I can control the strength and here. Okay, let me go back and show you that. So there are target bones here, and I can move them around. I got a target bone for the one in the back. I got another target bone here. I gotta be careful. So I can, oh, that's the wrong one. Control Z, undo that. And then we'll move this target bone. And there that goes. So let's go back to the mouth, the morphing mouth. Okay. And I gotta figure out what is going on here. So we're gonna go and up to bones, and I'm gonna show all bones. And a lot of times what happens is that the bones are getting offset. Okay, so I'm gonna hit the offset. Alright, now I'm looking for the bones that are supposed to be here. Obviously they're not there. Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Did I delete them? Did I delete them? Let's see. It should be under M1 and M2. Okay, let's try this. And we're looking for M1. Where is that? Okay. I'm looking for, that's not. The problem with this many bones, okay, it gets kind of confusing for so these are the controllers. Okay. I'm not seeing my mouth bones. They might have gotten deleted. Let's see, let's pull back and see if there's any bones around here. Let's try this. Open recent. I'm on, hang on, let's see. I'm on Ninja 25, so let's go to Ninja 14. I'll open that one. Oh, Ninja 25, 14. And bones, show all bones. I'm going to go frame 1 and see if I still, this is still not working. Alright. No change. There we go. Somehow I lost this control on the last version. What's interesting here is that I'm going to switch to the different mouths, and I'm getting the same morphing effect for each of the mouths, whether they're half open or fully open. And of course I can turn it, and then I can go back to the mouth change here. Okay. Now it's on what would be on the normal one. The screen recorder is slowing everything down. So, that's the 2 rigs or the rigging I've been doing for someone else. Hope you like what you see. Thanks for watching, and my name's Dale, and bye-bye.